This is sacred ground, which means vampires have to be invited in. But since I'm desperate, come on in. We can talk freely here.
I suggest you start talking. What did your sister want with me, Klaus?
Isn't it obvious? We have a vampire problem, and we need help. Marcel has an army backing him.
The witches have been trying to fight back. We haven't had much luck.
Until my sister Jane Ann met a girl. A werewolf passing through the quarter from a small town in Virginia. She had a special connection to your brother.
Kind of connection.
Apparently, they spent some time together.
One thing led to another, and now, this special werewolf girl, she's pregnant. And the father of the child she's carrying is your brother, Klaus.
It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible, especially not when it comes to your brother. Think about it. They call him the hybrid, right? Bring her out! Who the hell are you?
Give us a moment, please.